what up? Today we're making some salmon with rice and a coleslaw salad. Firstly, we're gonna go to a grocery store to get the items. Yeah, today I'm just gonna make some salad. I know it's really simple. So today what we're gonna need is some green head cabbage. Yep, I'm just gonna grab this and put it in here. So we're gonna also get 2 carrots, so nice. Some white sauce with, mayonnaise. Some white vinegar, some dry mustard, and some sour cream. Firstly, prepare the rice. So yeah, firstly, right now I'm going to, wait, what's this? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh. Oh no. Firstly, cut off the stems of the carrot, so like that, and the end of the carrot. So now you gotta shred the skin of the carrot because you don't want to eat that part, and also it's like really dirty. So after that, you do the same to the other 2 carrots. Actually, 1 carrot. Now to shred the carrots into small pieces with a knife. Done. Now for the cabbage. Done. Now mix the carrots into the pan with the cabbage. Now you grab a second bowl and put 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of dried mustard. Mix the ingredients and pour it in the salad. Mix well. And voila, you have your salad. Now for the salmon. So first, what I'll do is I'll pour some oil over this pan and wait until it gets hot. Once it's ready, put in the salmon. Once in a while, flip the salmon. Come on, come on. Done. Add some salt over the salmon to enhance its taste, because you don't want a bland salmon. Trust me, I had some before. They were bad. Hey there, kitty. After when you think the salmon is done, what you want to do right now is to put it on a plate with what you do is you put it on the plate with the salad that I made, and also a side of rice.
The salmon is very good. It is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The salad is very refreshing. Overall, it is a very good meal.